this video, I'm going to show you how to use ExpressVPN on any smart TV. You can use it on Samsung, LG, Android, as well as Firestick. So if you have an Android, you should be able to see there a Play Store. If you have Samsung Tizen OS, you can see there the App Store or Web Store. And if you have the LG OS on your TV, you can head over and then just go to your apps and you should be able to search in here for the particular app that we're searching. In this case, we need the ExpressVPN. Click on the search icon that you should be able to see there and search in here for ExpressVPN. Here it is. From in there, head over and click on this install option that we can see right here. So head over and click on this. And then from in there, you should be able to install this particular part or this particular application into your TV and you can enjoy this all together. So once you have installed it, you can head over and then create an account. So we all know that typing on TV is quite a hassle experience. So you can head over to any device that you have, then go over to ExpressVPN, sign up. So you can search for that. And then you can see in here the ExpressVPN option. You can choose in here or click on this Get ExpressVPN. And from in there, you should be able to order. Just choosing here which plan you want, get the deal, and then sign up using your email and create a password and account using that way. So that's how you use ExpressVPN on any smart TV. Hope we help.